Hey everyone, how are you doing? Are you ready for a girlish makeup video? Because we're going to do it today, and we're gonna use only one eyeshadow for the blush, highlighter, and also the lipstick, so keep watching till the end. As usual, we use the foundation for the base part. And the highlighter for under my eyes and under the cheeks, also a little bit on the nose. We fade them all together, and now this is the time for contouring part. I use a lot of it because I want to have a thin face. So normally I use for my jangles and under the cheeks. The most important part of contouring is nose contouring, which I hate, you know it. But I taught you a lot of tricks for nose contouring, so you can go and watch the previous videos, and we're just redoing it here. For this makeup, because I wanted it to be girlish, I didn't use any bake powder and I just continued with the shine of my face. And I lifted a little bit my eyebrows and didn't use any kind of brow shadows. And the tape can be a really good trick for the lifted eyeshadow, so I used it. And I continued with the dark brown eyeshadow for my crystalline. And I continue it to the middle of my eyes. So here I used a dark, we can't say black eyeshadow for the eyeliner, and I did it for my inner part too, and also under the eyes. Some light shiny pink can be really good for the middle part of our eyes, so I used it. And I felt a little bit highlighter would be nice for under the eyebrows. And darker pink, which I fade them together. So I just removed the tape and used the concealer again because I wanted to, clean the mess and make my eyes lifted. And the mascara, don't forget it or always forget it. I used this light pink for the highlighter. I told you I'm gonna use only one or two color for the whole of my face. So again, I use this palette for the blush. It's a little bit dark, but when you fade it, it looks cute on your face. And don't forget to use the blush on your nose. It helps a lot to make yourself cute. And again, the same color we use for blush, I use it for my lips. It's a little bit hard to fade on your dry lips, so probably it's better to use some moisturizer before. And the highlighter, the pink highlighter, we use for the lips. And also this lip shine. If you're crazy about fake glasses like me and you weren't lucky enough to have them, then you can make fake one of them with the contour. And don't forget to fade them with your finger, it helps to make them more natural. So here we are with our girlish makeup, and I hope you have enjoyed this video because I really liked it. I think it's so cute to have this kind of makeup too. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and love you guys. Bye bye.